we have reached the last part of your essay, which is called the conclusion. Now, there are three parts in your conclusion. First, you will reinforce your thesis statement. Next, you will summarize your key ideas and points. And third, you will offer some insights. What do I mean by reinforcing a thesis statement? It simply means restating your stand and your scope. In this case, I'll say, in conclusion, and so on and so forth. For example, we're going to use this question right here. Myths and legends are no longer relevant. Now, if my stand says that they are indeed relevant to our society, then in order for me to reinforce my thesis statement, I will say, in conclusion, myths and legends are still relevant to our society. Next, I will summarize some of the key ideas and points which I've mentioned early on in my body paragraphs. In this case, could be that they teach certain moral values, or that they help to pass on traditions, and so on and so forth. Next, I will offer some insights. An example of insight will be this. Are there any repercussions for the future? Or it could be, what are some of the possible implications of this question? And you can offer some solutions as well. If I were to use this question as an example, possible repercussion for the future is that we no longer feel that it's relevant to our society, and thus, consequently, we lose a lot of interesting anchors in our collective psyche. If we are talking about some possible implications, it could be that the parents no longer care about this, they're no longer troubled to pass on myths and legends to their children because they think it's archaic or outdated, and children are no longer grounded. They don't feel connected to their traditions and culture. A possible solution, of course, is that parents must recognize that myths and legends are alive and very much a part of our lives, and carry on teaching children